Hashtag be authentic. Hashtag keep posting. Hashtag God got me. What do all of these hashtags have in common? They have a definition behind them. Be authentic. Be your authentic self when you're on YouTube, and your subscribers will come. Keep posting. Keep posting no matter what, and your subscribers will come. God got me. Hashtag God got me. That means God got me no matter what comes my way. Whatever happens, if the subscribers don't come now, they eventually will come because God got me. All these hashtags got a definition behind them. And I said that to say this. Hope Crew is a hashtag. Hope Crew is a hashtag. Why so many people getting up in arms and getting crazy about, oh, Hope Crew is this, Hope Crew is that? What's the definition of the Hope Crew? Because you're hearing people saying Hope Crew is negative. Hope Crew is a scam. Hope Crew is this. There's a bunch of crazy people in the Hope Crew, this, that, and the other. All these things is floating around in the YouTube universe. But let's define what Hope Crew is. Because it's only a hashtag. And that's what we're going to talk about today. The power to define is a power to fulfill. If you can't define the thing, how can you fulfill the thing if you don't know the definition of the thing you're trying to fulfill? And since we're talking about the Hope Crew, let me let you know a little secret. Hashtag Hope Crew has been around for years, 4, 5, 6 years, almost 10 years. You go in YouTube, search, put in hashtag Hope Crew. What comes up? All these videos, 5 years ago, 6 years ago. I saw one from 10 years ago. Hope Crew. And some of them say Hope. Some of them say Hope Crew. Look it up. If you type it in, look it up, and you'll see it. It says Hope Crew. So what's the definition of Hope Crew? I don't know what the definition is because when the person created the hashtag, I don't know who it was. I don't have to know who it was and what his definition is because I know what the definition is for me. Hope Crew is a hashtag. It's not a crew. It's a hashtag. And since it's a hashtag, the person who used the hashtag defines what the Hope Crew means pertaining to the video that they put up, pertaining to what they have in their mind. What's my definition of Hope Crew? A person who gives hope, who inspires, who motivates, who has dedication on helping a fellow person come out of a situation that they're in, help them achieve a certain goal, help them be motivated to go forward and achieve that goal that they have in their heart. Somebody who want to share their gift, motivate them, inspire them, tell them that they can do this thing on YouTube. And not only YouTube, whatever they desire to have in their life. Hope Crew. Hope Crew, stand up. If you're part of Hope Crew, type in the comment section. Hope Crew, stand up. Because so many people defining who you are. You need nobody to define who you are. God already told you who you are. For those who know they have a gift, Hope Crew, stand up. Because you got a gift that you're sharing with the world. And you decided to use hashtag Hope Crew to let people know that you're going to help them get their gift out of them or help them overcome that challenge or the situation that they're in. Hope Crew, stand up. Define what that hashtag means to you because people are defining who you are and what you're doing. No. Once again, Hope Crew is a hashtag. It's not a crew of people. It's not a gang of people. No, it's people who want to leave hope in this hopeless world. In this YouTube universe. The YouTube universe needs hope. Before all this started kicking off and all this controversy and all this other stuff started going down, there was a lot of negativity on YouTube. There was a lot of stuff going on YouTube that you look at and you're like, oh man, I can't watch it. Oh man, I don't even want to look at YouTube anymore because so much stuff going down. I don't even want to look at it, man. It was like a TV show, man. No. I'm not looking at YouTube. Hope Crew, stand up. You decide to use that hashtag And then somebody come along and say, nah, something's wrong with the hashtag. It's a scam hashtag. It's a bunch of crazy people. All this stuff. I see stuff on YouTube. And people talking about Hope Crew. Hope Crew is a hashtag. Hope Crew is not people. Hope Crew is a hashtag. And whoever used the hashtag defines what the Hope Crew means to them. And they put it in their video. Hope Crew is a hashtag. So if you want to be a leader of a hashtag, go ahead. Be a leader of a hashtag. But the people who know who they are and what they have to offer, the people that's assigned to them, Hope Crew, stand up. Do what you was called to do. Release that gift inside of you. Because there's people waiting to hear the gift that you have, and you decide to use hashtag Hope Crew to go after those people so they can understand that they have something that they have to release. Hope Crew, stand up. Don't think it's strange that somebody's trying to stop you from releasing that gift inside of you. Hope Crew, stand up. Type in the comment section. Hope Crew is not a crew. Hope Crew is a hashtag. And we decide to use the hashtag to let people know that there's hope on YouTube. They can get inspired on YouTube. They can get motivated on YouTube. They can get the answers that they need on YouTube. And you are the answer if you decide to share your gift. Listen up. Hope Crew, stand up. Anybody is in the Hope Crew. Anybody's in the Hope Crew who want to leave hope in this hopeless world. Anybody is in the Hope Crew if they're inspiring people, if they're motivating people. Use the hashtag. Don't let nobody tell you don't use it because it's this and that. You define what it is to you and you use it to let people know there's hope in a hopeless world. There's a bunch of people who saying they want to inspire people. There's a bunch of people who saying they want to motivate people. I want to motivate people. I want to inspire people with my life. This is my time. This is my experience. This is my life. That's my channel. Inspiring people. Motivating people. Hope Crew, stand up. Don't back down. Stand up. Stand up in your authentic self. Hashtag be authentic. Keep posting. Hashtag keep posting. Posting those videos to motivate those that's assigned to you. Because God got you. Hashtag God got you. Hashtag God got me. Hope Crew, stand up. Hashtag Hope Crew. That's my definition of hashtag Hope Crew. Whatever your definition is, haters watching this, whatever your definition is, roll with it. For those who want to be inspired, those who want to be motivated, those who want to leave a lasting legacy on YouTube, and reach those people that's assigned to them, use the hashtag Hope Crew. Because you're defining your legacy by inspiration, motivation, and your dedication. Because you're being authentic. Hashtag be authentic. You keep posting, hashtag keep posting. Because God got you. Hashtag God got me. This is my life. This is my experience. This is my time. Hope Crew, stand up. Peace.